how to fit your Word document to one page in one click. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Word document, and on the top left, you'll see a drop down beside the arrow. So you just have to tap on it, and then you will see more commands. Tap on it, and then here you'll see popular commands. Tap on the drop down and then choose all commands, and now search for shrink document. So you'll need to scroll down, so it is in alphabetical order, so search for S. While you're doing that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So once you find shrink one page, tap on it and then hit OK. And your document will be shrink to one page. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.